Hello, my name's Adele and we're taking you through this beautiful hair up today. What I'm doing is a chignon or a French roll with a quiff on top, and at the moment I'm just sectioning out the top layer to do later. What you can see me doing here now is I'm using the Paul Mitchell Mighty brush, which is a beautiful backcombing brush with natural and real boar bristles to help give the substance and base to my style. I'm just doing vertical sections because you don't want to have the hair parting and showing any of the backcombing through underneath. I'm just working my way through to the other side and then the bottom. Now I'm just smoothing out the very top layer. You don't want to brush too hard, you want to keep that backcombing underneath. I'm just smoothing it through just past the centre of the head. Now I'm using Kirby grips just to slide up to fix that base in there, which is giving me my foundation for my style. And each Kirby grip I pop in is interlocking the top of the previous, so the second one is overlocking the top of the first one, and then the third one will be overlocking the second one, and so on until you reach the top. You can just see me now using a little bit of the Paul Mitchell worked up hairspray. This is a very lightweight hairspray, gives the hair a little bit of substance and a bit more control without being too firm, brushes through easily, but just helps to control those little fine flyaways and make life easier. Now I have most of the hair in the position I want, I now need something a little bit firmer, so I'm now using the Avapui Wild Ginger Finishing Spray, which has a firmer hold and will help me to control the hair into its final shape. I've now tucked the hair underneath and I'm popping in Kirby grips to secure the roll that I've just formed onto the foundation that I've previously done earlier. I'm just working it through until it's secure. Once this is in, I'll be using some hairpins just to pull in a little bit tighter and make sure that none of the Kirby grips from underneath are showing through. And that's my hairpin there. The little piece of hair I had coming out the top of my roll, I have curled round into a beautiful little wave and pinned just to dress it out a little bit more. And I'm now working through the top again with my Mighty brush, doing a section straight across the top of the head, approximately an inch deep, and just continuing my back brushing through to give volume and support to my style and help to manipulate the hair into shape. Now you can see I have beautiful volume and the shape's all coming together. Once again, sort of just smoothing the very top area to help sort of smooth out any little backcombing you can see and push the hair into the shape I want it to. I really set myself up to win by curling this mannequin head beforehand with Paul Mitchell Ion Smooth 1.25 smoothing iron to give me that volume and curl, which will really help to manipulate the hair into the shape. And obviously I've curled it into the direction that it will sit when the style's finished. Now I'm just twisting and pushing the hair into place and really let the hair talk to you and tell you where it wants to sit. So if you force it into an angle it doesn't want to go, it won't sit quite so nicely. I'm just popping the Kirby grips through and securing underneath and rolling the rest of the hair back with a little bit of finger cut backcombing. Push the hair into style to hide that join and create a little bit more texture and interest to your style. And here's the finished look.